So how do we get playing like that? This is the line that unlocks legato. Tabs are free on my Patreon. Check the link in my description. Here's a close-up, slow. Try doing it, eyes closed, and feeling where the tension is. Could be here, could be in your shoulder. You don't know until you close your eyes and feel it. That's where you relax. That is what is going to unlock effortless legato. One string change harder than the others. Loop just that string change. Get that comfy and move to the next. Condensing these fast motions into small sections and looping them is the gateway to effortlessly fast legato. If you're enjoying these videos, consider subscribing. Let me know what else you want demystified. Cheers.